Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be talking about this right here, these. But before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to me for more videos. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. so stay tuned for my videos. And if you want to get super notified, guys, all you have to do is hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. We're just going to hop right into the video right now. Okay, so I installed my mini twist on Tuesday and today is Sunday. I installed my mini twist about 6 days ago. And I decided to try a new style today, so that's why my hair is up in this little pineapple type of thing. But installing these mini twists was fairly easy. I used 3 items, technically 4 items on my hair. Basically, to moisturize it first, I used the Cream of Nature Honey Leave-In. So that leave-in, I think it's called the Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner by Cream of Nature. I used that to moisturize my hair. Then I went in with the Tailored Beauty Grow Thick Oil, and then after that, to actually style the twist, I used the ORS Hair Care Lock and Twist Gel to twist my hair. But you'll never come around for me. After I finished twisting my hair, I set my hair with the Dew Mousse Def. So I used the Mousse Def to just set the style, which you guys are going to see in like the upcoming clips that I'm about to show you guys right now. So yeah, that was the whole little process of me installing my twist. It was fairly simple. I think it took me about 3 hours to install all of my twists, and I obviously did not part my hair with a rat tail comb. I kind of just did twist wherever I felt necessary, like I needed to. I was just experimenting with different methods, and I felt like that method would work for me, whereas when I work on other people's hair, I take the comb and I either do box parts or oval shaped parts. So it honestly depends on like who I'm working with. Since I was working on myself, I didn't really care because I knew I was going to style my hair up anyway. So this is what my hair looks like real quickly. I have this cute little twist in the front, and then it's up in a cute little pineapple. I don't know how much twist I actually installed in my hair because I literally just twisted wherever I felt needed to be twisted, and I went section by section by section. So I didn't technically, you know, count how much twist I did, but I feel like for the amount of time it took me, my twists don't look as full. I guess it's my hair type. I'm about to take my twists down so you guys can see what they look like down. So they kind of like bent out of shape and stuff because they were in that ponytail. But that ponytail has definitely helped to stretch my hair, because I'm looking at it right now and this is what they look like. So they're pretty stretched, that's why they're bent out of shape. But I mean, my twists look really good to me. Like, I think they still look good. I think tomorrow I may do like a half up, half down type of look or something like that, because that would be so cute. But yeah, like I'm really excited to style my twist and try different styles on my hair, because I think it looks so cute when you spice up your hair and you do different things to it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing different styles. And if you follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. You will see me posting different hairstyles that I've done with my twist, and you can definitely DM me and ask me any type of question that you have about twist. But I'm just going to insert a couple of pictures just so you guys can see what type of styles that I was talking about.
Just up there now. Before I had to block my door, now I have it just there now. So I'm just saying, you know, like,
listen, I'll whip the shit is.
And yeah, so that is it for today's video. Today's video was fairly short because this was just a protective style that I wanted to put into my hair. This isn't more so a how to install mini twists. It's more so just for you guys to get a feel of like what I do and what I like to use. Maybe it works for you. Hopefully it does. And yeah, if you like this video, you already know, leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to me for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @KinkyCurlyMary to be ensured / notified about my new pics and whatnot and what I'm up to day to day, because I like to post on my story daily, so you can connect with me through that. And yeah, until next time guys, peace and love always.